I'm about to take a shower with my new shower head. It's from Hotel Spa. And I bought it because I just thought it was the cutest thing ever. The colors are blue for cold, green is warm, lukewarm, and red is hot. Oh, I just love that. And yes, you can extend the bar upward and angle it. I can't wait. And this is my new shower curtain. Yay! I think it's so beautiful. I think I have really great taste, you guys, when it comes to things. So this is part of my new February Valentine's Day gift to myself. Let's change the color. See if I can, oh, there we go. There goes green. Oh, isn't it beautiful? Let's see if we can get a blue in there. There's the blue. Oh my God, I love it. So this is my new bathroom for now. And I'm about to enjoy my shower. And of course, I have to get this bandage off my foot because I had foot surgery on my big toe. So the shower is going to have to just loosen the bandage and I can get it off. A beautiful shower curtain again. It says love all over it. And it's just for February, for Valentine's Day, and for African American month. Hi, my guys. Bye, YouTube.